You're here. You've reached the home stretch of your facilitation session. Your brainstorming activities, tags, organizing, and voting helped you go wide to generate lots of ideas, and then narrow down those ideas to align on the intended outcome. Now it's time to break those ideas down into actionable next steps for implementation. This is key. Your session will not have been successful if your ideas have no next steps that help bring them to life. The tools in Lucidspark that will best guide you and your team towards action are Lucid Cards, Timelines, and Dynamic Matrix. Lucid Cards allow you to expound upon your ideas and include important details like description, assignee, and time frame to the task to help you understand how each idea will be tackled moving forward. Take the example of Tori's Tacos. One of our ideas was revamping how we create promotional videos. We aligned and voted that this was an idea we wanted to move forward with. Using Lucid Cards, we can identify each step to revamping video creation processes. Who is assigned to what step, the estimate of work, and the time frame for each task. Next is where timelines come into play. This is where you can add each Lucid card to the timeline to visualize the time frame for accomplishing these tasks. Within timelines, you can, in addition to seeing the time frame breakdown, add additional visual information to see assignee, estimation, or once the project has started, status. Along with timelines, you can also use our dynamic matrix with Lucid Cards to organize your tasks for better comparison and understanding of each task. This can be great when reviewing the bigger picture of what tasks are assigned to who compared to the tags you used to organize the ideas initially. After tasks have been delegated and next steps are clear, we recommend doing another fist to 5 temperature check to see how everyone is feeling about the plan moving forward. Be sure to stop and discuss any hesitancies or potential blockers. Everyone's commitment and buy-in to these next steps matters. Note that Lucid Cards, Timelines, and Dynamic Matrix will allow for your participants in the session to visualize and understand next steps. But they are also tools that will allow for sponsors within the session to verify and approve those next steps. So make sure, if you are not the sponsor, to be checking in with these individuals to provide their agreement and thoughts on these next steps. At the end of your session, we recommend finishing on a high note by taking your team on a boardwalk. To do this, start back at the beginning of your experience and review the frames with your team. Last but certainly not least, thank everyone for their contributions. And don't forget to check out the support guide to help you with running your session in the future.